Tradeify Nation, welcome to another London session stream. It is the 9th of December, and I hope we're going to have an absolute banger of a session today. Obviously, we could expect some more low volume, actually, until tomorrow, or until Thursday, I should say. But hey, hopefully it's not going to be that way. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the chat, how are you doing, and how was your day yesterday? Also, good morning, Celine. How are you doing?
Good morning. Well, selfing to you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Get it right.
Yeah,
I'm selfing. Chat, I'm selfing for the rest of December, just so you all know. If I see Celine in the chat, who is she? She's not here. But anyway, I'm good. I am ready to get these charts happening today. I don't like how the daily is looking already, but I'm hoping for a better London session. I don't know what we're going to get, but yesterday, as you guys know, was kind of one of the most boring NQ London sessions I've seen. So we'll see what we get today. I have my money gun at the ready, so you know I'm always ready. I'm always open to hit that TP. So we'll see what we get. So far, not much happening. But we'll get into the charts in a bit.
All right, let's break it down. On the daily, yesterday we did sweep the previous day low, right? So Friday's low was swept and we closed within the range. However, it is a very indecisive candle. Technically, this is a continuation setup to now push for another leg up. However, I'm not really convinced yet. If we look at the hourly, we did get a change in state of delivery, right? We closed on the hourly through 680, have retested this fair value gap. So we could see a push up here from now. But it's not really looking too nice. For me, on the 50-minute, let's look at that for the levels. I mean, daily open was right at previous day mid. We can see here 25,712, 13, like 1250 to 13. Made a little bit of an upwick, made a little bit of a downwick, and now are trying to push higher. As I just said, we do have a change in state of delivery as well on the 15-minute. So we could technically trade a retest from here, 75 long, 675. On the 5-minute, we have that pretty much almost exact same CAST. So I'm most likely going to take a long from that area if I see a reaction to it. Celine, what do you see?
Hey,
Delphine,
well,
sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Please forgive me. Thank you.
Get it right, Santa. Well, look, not liking how our daily is looking at the minute. Small little inside candle. Always not the best to be trading coming into the session, but not to say we might not get what I'm hoping to be a short actually in the session. I don't know why my charts are a little bit delayed. 1 second, guys. Here we go. So looking at the 4-hour, we do have this bearish gap that we tapped into nicely, respected 50% of that level on the 4-hour and had a clean reaction to the downside from that. So what I would like to see in the session today is for us to sweep previous 4-hour high, hopefully tap back into that gap and then to take shorts out of that, because I do like previous day low as a level that's sitting here open and exposed to hopefully get swept out today at some point or this week. So I don't know. I'm looking at, I know you're looking at longs, Nick, but I sort of like it for shorts. I mean, definitely can see NASDAQ getting up into that previous 4-hour high soon. We are almost up in there. And yeah, if I get that sweep, you guys know I will be in the shorts this session. So let's see what we get.
Let's see what we get. Okay. I have an order there actually at 675 for a long.
675.
So let's see what we can get.
Let's see. And look, Asia session, nothing much happening overnight in Asia. Very low volume candles, really just wicking up and down, staying very much in this tight range. The entire range for me in my Asia is 54 points. So nothing too major happening there.
Yep.
So we'll see. That can sometimes set up for a nice move in London if we do have a ranging Asian session. So hopefully we get some nice volume today.
True. Let's see what ES is doing. ES is actually respecting previous day mid so far. Daily open as well at 6,865. The change in state of delivery on ES is at 6,859. So they're pretty much in sync right now. Gold is trying to push up from here. 4,197 is the Asia low. So the 4,200 is basically respected. trying to push through VWAP right now. Next important level is daily open at 4219.6. So let's see what the day brings. I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I have my,
Chat.
by the way,
Yep.
update on my select accounts. I am $4,678 in profit on every single one of them. So we are halfway through passing them because the profit target is 9K.
Go. And chat, how are we doing? Where are the accounts at? Who's in trades? Let us know. Give us the update. Did anyone trade New York? I know you did, Nick.
I did. I took a super nice golden pocket trade yesterday in New York.
Oh, nice.
Like almost perfect entry. It was like three points in drawdown. It was sick.
That's fire. For how many points total?
I got stopped. I took it with 2 minis and I got stopped out, unfortunately, for 20 points. My target would have been like 60 points, and it hit the target after, obviously. But yeah, it was still a good trade.
Damn. Golden pocket. I need to look into that.
It is great, honestly. Like, golden pocket is fire. All right, NQ is pushing up now. Looks like we're not going to get this retracement down to the CASD retest. Maybe we will. Who knows? Who knows?
Well, that is the previous 4-hour high, actually. So I do like that we're up at that level right at... Oh, London's open, by the way. We didn't do our...
It's been on for 3 minutes. 3 minutes. All right, I'm taking this order off because this is too much of a move for me right now. I'm going to observe what happens. I'm going to see what happens.
Patrick's in longs, gold longs. Hey, Patrick, how was your trade yesterday, actually? Give us the update. I know you were in those shorts on NQ for a little while. Oh, guys, the soybean trade. How did I forget?
Oh, yeah, the soybean trade. Come on.
Exciting stuff. All right, so soybean, I was in for the pretty much the entire after London session, all the way up into... let me see if I can... The executions are probably gone from my chart now, but it was around... I ended up putting my stop in break even once I was in like 6 ticks of profit, just because it was getting close to like 11 p.m. Bali time, and I knew I needed to go to sleep and not be looking at the soybean charts all night. So once I put myself in break even, I put the chart down, and then just as I was going to bed, it got stopped at break even. But turns out if didn't have my position in break even, I would have been up a nice couple $100 on that account with only one contract. So not so bad for just a degen trade. I did hold for a long time. I went into about, in total, like around $500 in drawdown, but I held, didn't touch, and then ended up getting a break even on that. So
hey, at least a break even.
Yeah. All right, I could be potentially getting a setup on NQ also for shorts right now. So we've swept previous 4-hour high. We've got a sweep at the moment of the previous 15-minute high, and there is a nice 1-minute FVG that's printed here from the 303 candle. So if we do get that inverted, I'll take a short off that. Stops at the high. Let's see.
Joel and Cox says, so Nick, did you know Moss gets to give away 2 accounts in his backtest session with only 80 viewers and you only 1? I think you need to have a talk with HR. Hey, I actually just forwarded this comment to Background Nick. I said people are revolting. We need to change something.
If enough of us annoy Background Nick, you never know. He might.
Hey, I sent it to him. I sent it to him already. So let's see. Let's see. ES pushing up, NQ as well. ES stronger than NQ right now. Let's see what we can get.
Let's see.
Sion says, took a gold short for $200. Nice. Congrats. Pochi, what's up, man? Let's see. 25,700 is respected right now on NQ.
Mm-hmm.
Emma432 says, did you see the TTV guest hit number 1? What do you mean? I am.
Oh, we should get a leaderboard update. Well,
Oh shit! Yeah, leaderboard update. Here you go. Leaderboard. Oh, only 58 people remain. Oh damn! Ooh, Khalid fell down from 16K to 11K. Okay.
Damn. He had a
Khalid?
100% win rate.
Yeah, not anymore. Yeah, it still says 100%, but that's not true. That's not true because he fell from 16K down to 11K. Dylan is now again close, only $500 distance. This is a battle. I love it. Ju Jung with 7,761, so $4,000, actually $3,000 behind them. Whew, this is interesting. Cammy, who we had on Tradeify TV, is still ranked number 9. That is awesome. Let's see. Who is the first person in Team Tradeify TV? DJP. Shout out to DJP. He's ranked 21 right now. You're in a short?
Chat. I just got a I just got an entry.
Your charts then.
And Q. We had the inversion that I was looking for. I'm just going to quickly put my 25,685 to 5. $685. Okay. I'm just looking to take 1-to-1 on this, just a bit of a scalp. So once I had the inversion, this number here that shows on my indicator actually tells me the amount of contracts I should risk based on my risk settings. So that's based on wanting to risk around 900 USD on these 150K accounts. So at the moment, it's 4 minis with a 12-point stop.
Why are you trading something else than soybeans?
Yeah, I know. a little bit out of my comfort zone with this one. Felt a little bit more comfortable with soybean, I think, yesterday.
You could be the soybean queen, you know?
You never know. It does have a little bit of a ring to it.
It does. It does. Hey, Kiss Mask, good morning. Good morning. All right.
Ooh, that's a nice reaction.
Ooh, nice push there. Respecting Bebop. Are you trading the select accounts?
This is, on only 2 of them.
Okay.
Oh, 3, sorry. No, 3 of my select and 2 of my other evals.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Good morning, Suriloki. How are you doing? How are you? Launch question incoming.
Good morning, Suriloki. I know I'm waiting. Your cook, Celine. Maybe I am, Bashi. Maybe I am. But you know what? That's my clean setup. I got to take that. Cannot deny a clean setup.
Always stick to the setups.
Alex says, Celine, I did not take the trade because the 3-minute doesn't make a difference. Nope. All I need is a sweep of the previous 4-hour, sweep of the previous 15-minute, and a 1-minute inversion. A plus is when we sweep into a high time frame, like to go with our direction. So a bearish FVG above, which is that gray box on my chart. We didn't get in there, but it's still enough for me to short from this level, because that has already been tapped into yesterday. So there. Yeah, I don't always need the tap in. It just makes it a little bit cleaner. Hey, but hey, I've been down this whole time, so let's see.
Hey, Corey, a very special good morning to you. Here you go. By the way, chat, the like goal for today is 470. So if you haven't already, make sure you smack that like button's face right now. 470 likes is what we need. Oh, we got Joker in the chat. What's up, Joker?
Hey.
How are you doing, man?
Joker, are you in Vietnam? What's the
No,
Vietnam?
From a movie.
Vietnam. All right.
Patrick says, next GC last 10 should screen record and webcam, and you can cut their highlights from their winning and losing trades, cut together as a highlight reel. That would be sick. That would be sick for the Grand Cup.
That would be. Hey, and GAOU, no offense, but I don't think your trade is going to work. Hey, no offense taken. Guys, all I'm doing is trading my system, and honestly, like, we can think it's not going to work. We can think it is going to work. Like, I tend not to have those thoughts when I'm in a trade, because that's what really messes with your mental focus and everything. So, I mean, I just see my setup, and I have an indicator that's built just to show me my setup. So that way, there's really no thought process in this. I've done all the back testing, I've done all the data collection, and that's how I get to this point where I can just trade and not have these like opinions and stress about, oh no, like, is this going to work? Like, it's not a 100% win rate. It's around a 60 to 65% win rate. So I know when I get in a trade, like 40% of the time, or 4 times out of 10, this is not playing out. So that's all I got to think about.
That is true.
People, she's AI, guys. There's no emotions involved. You could say that. Technically, I do trade a bit.
Wait. What do you mean you could say that? This is the case.
All right, Nick. I don't have the energy to fight this battle every day with you.
Well, you do have the energy because you consume a lot of energy as an AI, but...
You know what's crazy? Those AI horses that you posted.
Hey, that's so sick. I want one.
So do I. I want a dog as well. I've seen those AI dogs.
Give me an AI horse and I'm going to be all over those mountains.
It's going to be crazy what the future
is. Not an AI horse, just like a robot horse.
Yeah, I want a robot horse.
Anybody who didn't see that, check out my Instagram story. That's fucking sick.
The future is going to be insane. Can already tell if we have robot horses. What else are we gonna have?
And Yo, she says she's not AI. Lol. Well, how do you know? You have no idea, lady.
I'll give you that. You actually don't know, but look, I think I've proved it enough. I have some emotion.
Yeah, the programmed ones. Mario says, good morning and happy birthday, Nick. Thank you. My birthday was on Saturday, but I appreciate it.
Hey, we got a birthday in the chat today.
Hey, 6K82. Where you at?
6K82. He might
6K82. Where you at?
I hope you're here. Happy birthday if you're here.
And yeah, my IG is at Nick M Trades. Nick M Trades.
Nin says if we see you crash out, it would be Celine. That's funny.
True. Patrick says, gold pushing through, VU up. I'm listening to Don't Stop Believing. Yeah, let's see. Daily open, next level, 219. What was your entry again, Patrick? 200? No, not 200. Was it? Saturday? No, my birthday was on Saturday, not today.
Saturday. Patrick's entry 4207.
That's a good entry. Like it. I like it.
Don't stop
believing. Ooh. Edwin says, OG, same chat every day. Bit boring now. Hit the like button. Is the lean AI or catch up on meat? Well, Edwin, then make it less boring. Come on, come up with something new.
We need a Zempic.
Well, Zempic is always here for the rescue. By the way, like goal, we're sitting at 129. We need 470, so better smack that like button.
Not good enough. All right, this trade could be getting cooked. But if we do sweep, so my stop right now is at the previous 15 minutes high. So technically, if we do sweep that, I have another setup for me as well. So sometimes I can get a stop out and get an entry like a couple of minutes after. So that's why there's no time to feel emotions and crush out. Just got to be ready for the next setup.
Yep.
But we'll see what happens. Not saying it's over.
There is a good question in the chat from Corey. Corey's asking, serious question, I'm on a different platform. How do you decide when to take a payout? Do you measure how much buffer you'll have left, or do you aim for a target profit amount? Look, if the payout, like as soon as you can take a payout, if the payout is money that changes your life, even if it's like $1,000 or $2,000, if this adds significant value to your life, take it, right? Always pay the trader. I'm always for that. Pay yourself as soon as you can pay yourself. However, if it is not going to change anything significantly, if you're not really going to feel that this payout hits your bank account, then I will go for building a bit of a bigger buffer. That's what I do. I like to build a bigger buffer, and then I take a payout when it actually makes sense, and I can afterwards still trade with complete peace of mind. However, again, if it is life-changing to you, then definitely take it as soon as possible.
My only comment on that is, for me, when I did start, I took the payout like as soon as I was in that, when I met the buffer. And that was because I wanted to, as soon as I made my first payout, was put it all back into buying more accounts. So if you are at the beginning of your journey, for me, I would say better to just take, when you have that minimum payout size, take it whatever it is, like 500 per account or 1,000, whatever it might be. And then for me, I was like just straight back into buying more funded challenge accounts, and that way I was able to scale up. So that would be my take. But I think it depends where you're at with your trading as well.
Very true. Next level on NQ 713, daily open, previous day mid. That could reject. Let's see.
Don't like that we've been sitting in drawdown this entire trade right now. We need a bit of a miracle here.
Yeah, I think this is going to go higher, Celine. I'm sorry.
I'm
sorry. The whole London session so far is a pretty tight range, actually. We have only moved 19 points so far. And we're 19 minutes in, so 1 point per minute.
Okay, we hit the stop out, chap. We're cooked on that.
All right, on to the next one.
On to the next.
On to the next. This is a nice bull flag break, actually.
You're going to take the bull flag?
No, it's too late right now. I would want to enter it at like 97, but I'm going to set an order at like 700. And maybe I'll get it. Let's see. If it runs without me, so be it.
Are you watching ES or NQ?
NQ.
For that? Oh, yeah.
This is like textbook bull flag. I like that 25,700 is the bull flag retest entry. And then the stop would be at 85.
Oh, it looks like it's going to get into that 700.
Maybe. Let's see. Let's see. Corey says, Nick, it's more of a mental thing for me at the moment. When I started, I was getting big payouts like I wasn't new to futures. I've been in a slump for 2 months, blowing my fund at over 2K profits. Well, in that case, it is going to be important for your life to take a payout. So take it as soon as you can. Come on, give me a deeper retest. Thank you. Don't be a bitch. Don't be a bitch.
I'll be low-key mad if this just has a rejection of my previous 15. It did tap back into that 4-hour gap now, so it looks a... We'll see.
25,700, I have the order. The order. Let's see if we can cook.
It's almost there.
It is almost there, but I have that feeling it's going to run without me. I have that feeling that it's gonna run without me. Please don't do it, NQ. That would be so sad.
NGO, my short is sitting at 730. Okay. Okay, that's quite high.
Trevor says, took profit on the long and looking for the short. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Trevor.
Good morning, Trevor.
Good morning, Trevor.
Did you get tapped?
Nope.
Oh.
Almost. One tick away. If it runs now, don't do it. Actually, 2 ticks away. Don't do it. Don't you dare.
Anytime, Corey. We love your questions. By the way, if anyone has questions, shoot them at us. Ivar, what's your win rate, Celine? Around 65%. With a like average 1.5 R to 2 R.
Come on, NQ. Give me my money.
Oh no.
Money. Oh God. Don't run without me.
Come on, NQ.
Yeah, it doesn't let's go to my charts really quick. Like, look at, like, ew. How close was this? Like 1 tick away. No, now it's gonna run. No, don't do it. Damn it.
This is definition, guys, of being a dick for a tick.
Well,
what do you got to say? You should have just marketed in.
No, because the level for my entry was 700. Why would I go for a market order? It makes no sense.
No, I'm joking. Well, you never know. I could come back and sweep you in. Or is there a level at which it becomes invalid for you to take?
It is invalid now. This was the retest. I'm deleting the order. Deleting the order, because that was the retest. 1 tick away, chat. 1 tick away.
Adwin's question, Celine, why did your trade fail? What did you miss? I mean, who says I missed anything? To have a failed trade doesn't mean that I've missed anything. I don't have a 100% win rate, and that's just the reality. 4 times out of 10, my trades are going to be smoked. So doesn't mean, and that goes for your own trading as well. Don't look at it as if you've missed something if your trade fails, or the word fail is not right, but if you lose your trade, doesn't mean that you failed or anything. It just means that the probabilities are playing out, and that was an L, and it goes down as an L in my journal. And in my back testing, that same trade would have been an L, and that's literally fine. Don't be scared of taking L's, guys. It's not a failure.
How did this fucking trade miss my entry by 1 tick? Sadness.
You don't want to FOMO in?
Nope. Not interested. I'm not going to run after you, NQ.
It's teasing now.
It's funny. Lately, I'm taking more and more limit orders instead of market orders. I've been market ordering for the last 5 years, and I'm kind of starting to like these limit orders. I'll tell you that.
Is it working better? Like your stats and everything?
I mean, I get so much higher RR by doing that. Yeah, it just means that you're waiting for that bit more of a retracement. But if the move's right and the direction's right. Of course, ES has to reject, like, literally a tick from Asia high. Why, ES? Why? Just take it out. What's your problem? I don't know. There's a good question for you, Celine. Secret Scarlet is asking, Celine, over all the years you've been learning and growing as a trader, how many accounts do you think you've blown to get to where you are today?
Okay, you guys are going to freak, but it's not that many. And I'm not joking. It's just because I went such a slow way about it. I'm not saying it was a good thing that I didn't blow accounts, because I've only blown, I think I can count it on my fingers, like 4 accounts. 4 fun.
You only blew 4 accounts?
No, I'm not joking. I know it doesn't sound real, but what I did was I almost think is worse, because I sat in these challenge phases for so long, just trying to protect them, not blow them, was risking like one micro. Like, what was the point? Because that's not how real trading is. I would get to a point where I was like so scared of blowing it that I would not be taking a trade and these sort of like that sort of mindset. And I was sitting on one, I remember like my first ever funded account. I thought it was like a good thing that I was sitting in a funded account, and it was like 6 months into my trading journey. It's like, that's not reality.
Okay, so 4 funded accounts, but how many evals did you blow?
Oh, sorry, no, that's evals.
You only blew 4 evals? What?
Wait. No, I'm talking fundeds. Fundeds
Okay, so
actually
how many evals did you blow?
Oh, now? I still think around, like, the number isn't more than 10.
Wow, that's impressive. Honestly, that's very impressive. So you and I were like opposite. We're like north and south pole here.
I know, and it sort of sounds like I'm not a real trader because everyone's like, you know, it's mandatory to sort of blow so many. It's just the way I went about it. I did this like very slow, like eval phase. A lot of people, and now, like, I mean, even like speaking to you, Nick, and some of the guys like at Tradeify, it definitely changed up my mindset about how I approach evals, because it's not a good thing to sit in them for a long amount of time. I don't like that anymore. I think for whatever reason, it worked for me when I was first starting out and I was just wanting to learn, and I sort of treated it like demo trading, like paper trading. But now that I'm here, I don't like to be in them for as long. So I risk more. I'm happy to blow them now because it's just about, I don't know, like letting the system play out. But before, I was like, my risk amount, I didn't have like a proper strategy for that. So I'd be up and down with my risk. And it was just a long, tiring journey for me. So I'm not saying it's like a good thing, really. That's just how I went about it.
Yeah, we are the complete opposite.
Yeah, I know. And most people are. And most people are like that will come into trading have blown like so many accounts. And sometimes I'm like, oh, maybe I should have gone about it a different way. But
no, but honestly, that is impressive. Like, not gonna lie, that's very impressive.
Well, it just means, I mean, as well, guys, it's only like my second year in trading. So not to say that number's not going to stack up. I'm not stupid. Of course that number's going to stack up. But I really just stuck to using my payout money to buy more accounts. Just went about it like really slowly. Like took the payout, bought more accounts, traded those until a new payout, and just like very slow. That's why, yeah, I don't have like the 40 funded accounts to show for either. I only have like at the moment, I think I'm trading like altogether probably like 11, but it's not a crazy amount. I'm just, yeah.
Crazy.
I just like,
I mean, good for you. Good for you.
Yeah.
Way easier to be profitable that way.
It is if you have the patience. I definitely had the patience. I wasn't trying to rush anything either. Like I was happy to just prove to myself that I could get a payout. But I also think it was a bit, oh, we're getting the move down on NQ. I also think it was a bit of my mindset where I wanted to prove to myself that I had the skills to hold these accounts and not lose money. But in the end, I had to just accept, like, it's a reality that account's basically gone. Like having $70 in drawdown or whatever it was sometimes, like just blow it, move on, and risk properly and things like that.
You see, it's so funny. I'm in the chat reading everybody's questions and comments, and Alan is saying people blow many trading accounts. Like 50 plus is a beast. Like, how can they handle that? It's so funny how the reality is different for everybody. I see 50 and I'm like, lol.
Yeah, I know. But hey, you've been in it for a while as well.
True.
Like I feel like that also
but
makes
to be fair, like let's compare it. You are in your second year trading, right? In my second year trading, I was already at 1,000 plus.
Yeah. Okay. So you definitely went about it quicker. Like just different minds, different approaches.
Definitely. There's an interesting question from Secret Scarlet again. As a newer trader and a full-time stay-at-home mom and also a military wife, what advice would you both give me on passing my evaluations and staying funded? Well, first of all, I'm not a stay-at-home mom and I'm not a military wife. And I'm also so I don't have the same life circumstances as you, right? However, my take is this: if you are not dependent on making money, like if you have enough income coming in from your husband and you don't necessarily have to work, then definitely take exactly the route that Celine has taken. Slow, right? Trade an eval and protect it like it's your baby, and try to pass it, not in a week, not in 2 weeks, not in 4 weeks. Just try to pass it. Try to keep it alive, right? And then once you pass it, try to make money from that one eval. And once you make money, use that money to buy more evals and pass more accounts. And that's how you scale. But as I said, I'm not a stay-at-home mom and I'm not a military wife.
Also, I cannot relate to being a stay-at-home wife or military wife, but mom, sorry. But yeah, I think taking it slow and not putting that pressure on yourself if you're in that situation where you don't need to make so much money all at once, definitely treat it like it's a real account. And that's sort of the way I went about it. And that helped me because I didn't have that time pressure or pressure to make money so suddenly. And because I had other income streams, and I feel like that worked. I feel like that could work for you. So yeah. Gamer says I've probably blown over 1,000 evals. That's like so fine. I don't think the amount of there's no correlation with like how many evals you've blown to how profitable you're going to be in the future.
You can now say you're a 4-figure trader because you blew 4 figures worth of accounts.
Right. You know what's funny? If you had just taken the opposite trades, you probably would have passed 1,000 accounts, right? That's how it works. But yeah, I don't know. I mean, 1,000 is sort of up there with the normal numbers, right?
Yeah, a lot of people have blown more than 1,000 accounts. Yeah, appreciate you being here, Secret Scarlet. Secret Scarlet.
Nice. We love having you here. But yeah, I think it's an interesting conversation though. Like I think how evals are, you can really trade them however you like. Depends. Everyone's risk appetite is so different. And for me, I just wanted to really trade it like it was real money. So that's why I was much slower at it. But I know if people are in positions where that money is sort of nothing for them, and whatever it is, like $100 sometimes when they're on sale, and you can grab these accounts and you can just trade them as fast and as hard as you can in the eval. I mean, if that works, do it. There's no right or wrong way, I think, to approach evals.
True. By the way, I did just set a buy limit at 25,675. That is the CISD on the 50-minute 4-hour candle 2 closure. So I am looking to long 25,675 if we come back down there.
Damn, I still like this for shorts. I'm sort of annoyed now.
You could still short it for 15 points until we're down there.
And into your entry. Well, it looks like what we've done is swept me out of this trade, tapped into that 4-hour bearish gap, and then taken us to my TP originally. Bit annoying. Orange candlestick. Celine, can you tell me how much that hat weighs? You know what? Thanks for noticing. This is not an easy, like, this is a whole thing, chat.
Who is Celine?
Actually is quite thick.
I only know Selfine.
Oh, that's right. Selfine. I forgot. That's Orange Candlestick's fault. Orange Candlesticks, it's Selfine to you. To all of you. But yeah, it's like really thick. You guys can probably tell. Not your average elf hat.
Wait, was this a golden pocket short actually? Oh, it was. This was a golden pocket short. Well. Guess who missed that?
Any GP traders in the chat?
I'm starting to trade GP more and more. It's so fucking sick, honestly.
Yeah, I want to look into that. I need to do some back testing.
It is really sick.
Oh, I really probably don't even need to back test it because we know Brett, whatever Brett does, just copy Brett.
Yeah, for real.
In life, in everything.
For real. All right, let's see if we can get that fail at 675. B-Trader, if you don't know what the golden pocket is, it is the 0.707 fib retracement. If you want to learn it, go to YouTube, type in Golden Pocket Brett Simba, and he has a video for free where he teaches it. Pew Trades, does the 50-minute 4-hour respect well? Yes, it does respect very, very well. I'm actually trading it with limit orders all the time recently. It's great.
Ozempic. I'm more of an empty pocket trader, to be honest.
Well, you can also have an empty golden pocket.
It's true. Oh, Sierra's in. I'm in GP with 5-minute 3-bar reversal.
I don't get that.
I don't get the 3-bar.
Mason says, I thought the golden pocket is 0.618 and 0.65. The entry for the golden pocket is 0.707. Look, keep that in mind here. What you want to do is, I'm going to enlarge this here so you can see it better. Let me actually take off the spaceman key levels. Oh shit, that was the wrong one. There we go. Okay, so golden pocket from Asia high down to Asia low, right? So on the retracement, the entry for the golden pocket would have been 0.707 at 25,705.50 for a short. And then what you do is basically you look at 786 as your stop loss. And I don't like to set it exactly at 786 because sometimes 786 gets tested as it did here in this example. So I would rather set my stop loss like 10 points lower or higher in this case. I would have set my stop loss at 22 up here, right? Would have never even come close to that. And then your target is 0.5. At 0.5, you take your first partials off if you want to go for partials, or you take the full position off if you want to go for full position, and you start trailing with the 1-minute candles. So it is, the entry is always 0.707. I learned it directly from Brett, so trust me when I say this.
Trust him.
In Brett, we trust.
Oh, well, maybe we better start trading the GP. Seems like it's having a bit more success rate lately.
Mm-hmm.
London. Hey, Sue Trades.
How you doing? Neo Crow, how do you determine when to enter when the price hits 707? I literally set a limit order at 707. Like, do the tick. El Saint says, Nick, disable the indicator inputs and values so your indicator details are clean. So messy. Haha. Well, not messy for me, so no, I'm not going to do that.
Secret Scarlet says, I'm a former paramedic. Cool. I can handle stress and the psychological side. I just want to learn the system. I've been working on my strategy and I'm confident I can pass these evals. Great. So you have basically the hardest part of it. The 90% of the most traders, what we struggle with is the psychology side. But of course, being a former paramedic, you would probably ace all that. So I guess for you now, it's just time to put it all into practice and really just start the eval journey and take it slow because you've got the hard stuff out of the way, it sounds like.
True. However, don't be surprised when suddenly you realize you don't have it together. Because I always thought when I started trading, I'm like psychologically and emotionally super stable. This is not going to be an issue for me at all. I just need a system. And then I realized it wasn't the case.
Yeah, trading has that sort of effect. You sort of learn all the dark things about yourself that you didn't know existed. It's good though. Permabear, what happened to your soybeans trade, Celine? Oh, well, I ended up taking break even. It was quite the long trade. I was in it pretty much from when we got in it in London session, and then I held it all the way up until pretty much midnight Bali time, which was like New York open, 10:30 a.m. New York. But it would have actually taken me into a bit of profit, around like a couple hundred in my account based off one contract. So it wasn't the worst, honestly. More than I expected. I went into around $500 in drawdown and then brought it back. So not bad. Nice.
Max is asking, how much should I risk on a 25K eval per trade? It doesn't matter the size of the account. It matters the amount of drawdown that you have available. So I always recommend per $500 of drawdown that you have available, use 1 micro, right? So on $2,000 drawdown, use 4 micros. On $4,000 drawdown, use 8 micros, and so on. So as soon as you build a bit of a buffer, you can risk more.
Permabear, I will not be trading cocoa beans today. Well, actually, no, you never know. I'm not going to say no because if NQ wants to be boring, you never know. Unless we leave that for Wednesday when Nick leaves us. Maybe we do cocoa beans on Wednesday.
Hey, that's tomorrow.
Oh, it is too. Shit. All right, chat. Maybe tomorrow's the day. Tomorrow we trade cocoa beans.
Cocoa bean day. Woo!
Cocoa bean Wednesday.
No, it's YT Wednesday. Make sure you wear a YT tomorrow.
Oh, yeah. Almost forgot.
Jay Griff says, critical care transport nurse here. My psych was solid until it wasn't. Yeah, that's exactly what I said.
Yeah.
Thermo Bear, we only trade futures here on Tradeify.
Only futures. There was a question before about how many fundeds you can trade with us at Tradeify. It's only 5 fundeds at once. Doesn't matter whether they're 50Ks or 100K. Because I think the question was,
five is plenty though to make a bunch of money.
Yeah, for sure.
Hey, 6K82 is here. Happy birthday.
Hey, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Hope you have an amazing day. Thanks for tuning in on your birthday. Appreciate it.
We appreciate you.
I hope you win the giveaway.
Yes, that would be sick.
Also,
somehow we got to rig it, Nick.
Speaking of giveaway, we're sitting at 213 likes. We need 470 today. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button because 6K82 definitely needs a chance to win the giveaway, okay? Definitely needs a chance to win the giveaway. However, Celine, if 6K82 wins, this is gonna smell like rigged. So hard. The rigged allegations will never stop after.
Should we say it and say, if he wins, we double or nothing?
I mean, hell yeah.
I mean, what are the chances?
No. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a giveaway at 470. If 6K82 wins, we're gonna give away a second account to somebody else.
Damn. All right, you heard it, chat. So get those likes up because we want to give away potentially 2 accounts today.
Yep. Arno, if you're live, isn't it 1 account only? Yeah, of course, live account. Well, actually, no, we just changed it. You can now have up to 5 live accounts at the same time. We just changed that. Now everybody hit the like goal. 4, 6, come on. 470 is what we need.
Seon's like, don't fill out the form except for 6K82 on the first one.
Hey, that would actually be cool if nobody filled it out but 6K82 at first.
That would be sick. I couldn't think of a better birthday present, honestly. What are we doing? All right, so new 15 has opened up. If we get a sweep of the previous 15-minute high, which it looks like we might be getting into, I still would definitely take shorts of this. I like that we've tapped into the 4-hour bearish gap again. The 4-hour, I don't know why I said that. The 4-hour bearish gap. And I like that we've already had a little bit of a reaction to it. This could just potentially be a retracement. And 15-minute currently has no bottom wick. So I don't hate the shorts there. Only if we get that sweep, which we didn't, but I will check ES quickly in case there's SMT. Nope.
Mason says, I vote Nick just buys the birthday boa straight to funded. Well, Mason, why don't you buy the birthday boa straight to funded? With my code. Why don't you do that?
What's your code these days? Is it Batman?
Ketchup? Hey, I have multiple. I have Batman, I have Heinz, I have ketchup. Not even gonna lie, chat. If you use code Heinz or ketchup, it would actually work. It's funny, but you should always use code currently code DEC for December. It gives you the best. I still have my order in 25,675 for a long.
675. All right.
Oh yeah, and Patrick, your trade is going well. Your gold long. Nice.
Oh hey.
Oh, hey.
Every time I look at gold, it just
Hello.
hello gold. Every time I look back at gold, it's just doing some crazy moves. Like I cannot read it.
By the way, JSKD 1222 is asking, can you give us a quick overview over the select accounts? Yeah, look, if we go to my screen here and we go on YouTube, you go to Tradeify TV, you hit the channel, you go to videos, then you just watch this select plan explained video. It's a 3-minute video, gives you all you need to know about the select plan. And you're going to understand it after. Easy.
Easy peasy.
Easy
Hey,
peasy,
Quinton's up
lemon squeezy.
200 on 6 micros. Let's go.
Nice. That's Quinton. Paul, what is the ticker for gold on Tradeify? GCG6.
Merci, Patrick. Merci. Wait. Wait. You say welcome is You're welcome. No, damn it. Wait, I've got it. Damn it, Nick. How do you say you're welcome in French?
In what? In French?
Yeah.
You can say de rien or service. Or you can say service. Service. Service ou de rien.
De rien.
De rien, oui.
Oh, there we are. Or, anyone French in the chat, by the way?
Looks like it. Smart Money FR sounds a lot like French. French. Oh, in this case, we must speak like this for the entire session.
For the entire session?
Entire session, oui. I mean, for breakfast, you can eat a croissant and baguette after.
Oh, Patrick. Wait. Patrick's partly French?
Shut up, Patrick. You're lying.
Oh, no, he's joking.
Okay.
Oh, my God.
Like, damn. Patrick.
I was going to say, you definitely win the award for the most insane background. All right, we have just got a sweep of the previous 15-minute candle on NQ. Let's see if we get a reaction.
Alpha Bravo says, want Indian accent. I have no idea what you're talking about, man.
Well, we know how to get Raj out. We need to make him angry. So where's Russell?
Russell. Oh, there he is.
Hey, right on cue. Russell, can I use 2 accounts of Deaf Band?
Yeah, to like? Yeah, you can. Just to participate in the giveaway, you can only use 1.
No. Don't even think about it, Russell. I was born from a petri dish. I was starting to think that, honestly, Patrick.
Is 6K82 gonna get a free account today for his birthday? Let's see.
Let's see.
Once we run the giveaway, but we need 470 likes to run the giveaway, so make sure you smash the like button.
What are we at?
274. We need 196 more.
You can do it. Vabav, hello, Naz buddies.
What's up?
Hello.
Hello.
Pulls aboard. I ate a baguette once. Well, potentially could be French.
Could be French, yeah. Ooh, just got an email. I'm getting my new light today. New key light.
Hey, which one?
Just like an LED panel to light the back of my head. So then I'm going to have that super cinematic look.
Nice. I do need to get onto my lighting for my background, chap. I was thinking to get like a LED light that could be pink. What do we think?
You could. Like if you put an LED behind your tree there.
Yeah.
And your plant and like a pink one in that corner, that would look nice.
Yeah.
And it will match your char colors because green for the big higher time frame candles, pink for the pink candles.
Yeah, pink and green. I'm going to do it.
Patrick says, yeah, I felt you were a little two-dimensional. I mean, Patrick, you're probably the only one in the chat who understands what a key light is. So, lol.
Julien, Ahmed ou il y a des Français? Yes, I am in France, but I don't remember what Ahmed means. Ahmed. Mo asked an interesting question. Nick, Celine, do you guys look at stock news to form a bias on the markets or just focus on market charts? For me, I don't. I mean, I do look at stock news, but I don't use it when I'm trading. I trade a very mechanical system and it doesn't rely on any sort of news to tell me whether I should be in a short or a long. But it's just interesting to know where we are in the political climate sometimes. But that's just more out of interest, not for my actual trading.
Shout out to Hanky1702 says, I hit the profit goal on 2 150K select plans today. Bought them Friday. Golf clap.
Hey, golf clap.
Nice.
Let's
Well done.
go.
Yo, we got Marco Making Mario in the chat. What's up, dude? How you
Hey,
doing?
we missed you. I really needed you to move these markets lately.
Hey, Marco Making Mario understands as well. Nice. Yeah, Patrick, I usually have that. Look, I'll show you. I just gotta let the blinds down. One sec. Here you go for some more cinematic.
Oh,
now
that did make a difference.
Now I just need the light from behind, the hair light, and we're good.
Yeah,
and we're good.
All right, Patrick, I need your help also. I'm gonna buy this light and then I'll play around with it.
It's just like when I have these blinds down, the light is super bright in my face. That's why sometimes I open them up. Marco Making Mario, I know you're on vacation. Yet you are here. That is a good question, 6K82. Where is Gary Mathis? Gary! Meow.
Gary, are you here?
Meow. Everybody who got that joke, shout out to you.
Can't say I did. Can't say I did.
You never watched SpongeBob?
Yeah. Well, not like religiously. I mean, I've seen SpongeBob.
I mean, one episode is enough.
Gary and a meow?
Yeah.
I need to look this up.
Come on, Celine. What is SpongeBob's snail name?
Oh shit. Yeah. Yeah, but like I don't remember this shit.
It's so funny. Side fact, for those of you who have never heard me say that in the New York stream, SpongeBob SquarePants, like literally translated from German to English, it's called SpongeBob Spongehead.
Oh no.
That's so funny.
What? That's funny.
SpongeBob Spongehead, SpongeBob Spongehead, SpongeBob Spongehead. I gotta lit up the blinds because it's blinding me. The light giving me a headache.
Oh no, chat, you're disappointed in me. Hey, if it was like The Simpsons or like
The Simpsons.
Yeah, I was a Simpsons kid growing up.
Team, can you say Gauthier, je t'aime? Oui, of course. No.
Gauthier, je t'aime.
Pas de problème. Je ne comprends pas, je suis touriste. C'est l'heure de beurre, une bille sur la bêtise. Come on, NQ, don't play.
iGamer, did Celine play the Fortnite Simpsons? No, I didn't. I didn't. I have played Fortnite. You're probably shocked. I am a little bit of a gamer.
You are a gamer?
Yeah.
Really?
I'd say I classify myself as a gamer, yeah.
Interesting. What do you play?
Well, at the moment, since I've been in Bali, not a whole lot because I didn't bring my PS5 here, but I was playing PS5 quite a bit. I'm like a FIFA nerd or like...
You play FIFA?
Yeah.
I want to play FIFA again.
Yes. Let's verse. I am so down.
Hell yeah, let's do that. That would be so funny.
Yes, can we do it on stream? That would be hilarious.
Technically, we could. Wait, if
That would
I
be
get my PS5 on a, do you play on a PS5 or what?
No, but I don't have my PS5 in Bali. That's the thing, so it's not really gonna work. I'd have to go
What do
buy
you play? What do you play FIFA on?
No, I haven't been playing like the last couple months since I've been in Bali, so it's been kind of sad. I've only got my Switch here, so
Okay.
we can play. No, actually, I don't want to play FIFA on Switch. It's not the same.
Yeah, FIFA on Switch is sick though. It's better on PS5, of course, but it is nice on Switch too. But wait, so you're telling me
Yeah.
where do you have your PS5?
No, I got rid of it. Like it's yeah, I got rid of it. I actually sold it just before I came to Bali.
Okay, buy one.
Yeah, I can just buy one. I can, but I'm trying to lock in, Nick. Gaming
Yeah,
was
yeah,
like
lock in on PS. Like we're gonna play fucking FIFA on stream here, Celine. And the winner.
Let's do it.
And we're gonna do this, Celine. Look, you get yourself.
What are we gonna do?
You get yourself a PS5, and then we're gonna play 10 games.
All right.
And whoever is the first to win 6 is best of 10 technically.
All right.
Has like the loser has to buy 5 accounts for the community to give away.
Oh shit. All right. Hey, it's on. I'll do it, chat. 5 accounts.
Chat, would you be down for that?
But not with like who are we gonna play with? Like
Wait,
see, like
you against
like which
me?
club?
Oh, it doesn't matter.
Yeah,
You can choose whoever.
Yeah, but it has to be even.
You can choose whoever, except obviously the Magic 11 or what they're called. That's not cool.
All right, we'll see. We'll see.
I'm so wondering how good you are.
I'm good. I'm good.
Really?
Except the new FIFA, I obviously haven't played. So
I'm low-key a bit scared because I wouldn't say I'm bad, but I'm not a professional. So
okay, I'm not a professional. But I got some.
You know what? Dumbledore, I have a better idea. So we're gonna do Wheel of Names, which team each of us is gonna get. And then after, like, we do that for 10 games, right? And then the loser has to buy 5 accounts for the community.
All right, we're gonna do like best of 3, or are you just gonna do like one game and that's it?
We're gonna do best of 10.
Best of 10, yeah, true. All right, let's do it.
That would be.
And then yes, chat, you have to pick a team.
All right, Celine. So Celine, you got homework to do. Buy yourself a PS5.
All right, I need to find where the hell I'm gonna buy a PS5 in Bali.
I gotta order a Switch now as well.
Wait, we're doing this on Switch?
No, on PS5. But I had a Switch in the past, and then it broke down, and I really enjoyed it. Like, and I'm gonna go on a big trip in January. So for my flight, I want a Switch.
Yeah, see, Switch are good for. There's this fun ass game. Have you ever played Overcooked with your girlfriend?
No.
That's hilarious.
What is that?
It's basically like it's a co-op game, and you basically have to. It's hard to explain. Chat, if you know Overcooked, you know, but it's a 2-player game, and you have to quickly like make the meals in the kitchen. And
oh, that's funny.
No, it's so funny.
Yeah,
it's actually so
funny.
fun because you can only like one person has to be doing like the cutting. You have to like throw veggies like across, and it gets super complicated. It's fun. It's good.
That's awesome.
Overcooked will piss you off. Yeah, it gets really intense.
I love it. I'm actually buying a Switch right now.
What else did I play in PlayStation 5? I also love like just games like I was playing Harry Potter, Hogwarts.
Harry Potter.
I was playing. Sometimes I'd play like GTA and do like missions, but
GTA is sick.
It's not my favorite. I like just doing the missions and.
I mean, let's wait for GTA 6 and then.
Yeah, true. What else? What's that game? Oh, I used to play that stupid game with like the. What's it called, guys? Where you like jump through the. Oh, I'm not even. I don't even remember the name. Wait, is it Fall Guys? It's Fall Guys.
Fall Guys is funny, yeah.
Yeah, I used to just play that sometimes. That's just like out of ball.
That is funny. Oh, I can actually grab it from the store. I just realized. Nice.
You actually buying one now?
Yeah, I just bought one.
Damn.
Nice.
Then there's a new one now, isn't there? I think I've got the old
Which
one.
two, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Patrick, I see NQ on the move. I always see my charts, my friend. Always.
Yes, I'm looking at that.
Hey, see you, Smart Money FR.
See, you're French, aren't you? Au revoir. Au revoir. Take care.
Au revoir. Au revoir.
Au revoir. Yeah, I didn't get the setup I was looking for. Well, we did get a sweep, but for me, it needs to happen within the 10 minutes of the 15 minutes. So
I still have my long order here at 675. I had this long order on for like 20 minutes now. So let's see.
let's see. What level is your order at again?
675. 25,675. Ooh, gold pushing up. Gold is pushing up. Let's see. The golden pocket will be a bit lower than 675, actually. By the way, Patrick, I saw your question. You know what? Maybe I'm gonna. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have only one contract order at 675. Here we go. So 675 has one mini that I'm going to enter. And then the second entry would be 0.707, which is the golden pocket, 25666. And then we're going to set the stop loss below, Patrick, to answer your question, below 786, like 0.786. So that is at 661. I like to do it 10 points lower, so 651. This is how we're gonna do it. Oh shit, I need two minis though down there.
I'm kind of sad I still haven't gotten a short entry on.
So I have two limit buys right now. I have one at 25,675 for one mini, and then another one at 25,666 for a second mini, and then the stop at 651. Kismas says, my son recently started playing Fortnite. He's scary good with the sniper rifle. I should mention he's only 4 years old. Damn. Damn. Thank you. Don't do it again. Come on. Come on, man. For real?
Damn.
Yeah.
It's really NASDAQing you today.
Yeah, but that's okay. Like
but you know what game I play?
Like Matt always says, rather wish to be in a trade than out of a trade.
True.
You can still come down.
I just have to say, chat, one of the games I'm playing at the moment that I can play because it's mobile is Wild Rift. Do I have any Wild Rift fans in the chat?
What is Wild Rift?
It's like mobile League of Legends.
Okay.
It's really addictive. But the games go for like 40 minutes, so it's not ideal when you're trying to lock in.
Yeah. You know what game I really love? Age of Empires.
Oh, yeah. That's like an old school.
Yep. Super old school.
That's on PC, right?
Yes. Okay, I did just get filled on this one mini. I'm long one mini from 675. I do have an order for a second mini at 666, which is the golden pocket of this move from 647 up to 712. So I'm in a long right now.
Oh, let's go.
Target would be 25 points. I'm waiting if we get the fill for the other mini or not. Joker. Hell yeah. Ouvert. Shh. Gotta love those vampire sounds. When you're you're building castles, very peaceful, and suddenly here, and you're like, fuck, where? Shit.
I never actually played it, so I can't relate.
It's the best thing ever. Patrick, the reason behind the higher order limit is the 15-minute CISD retest. So 4-hour, 15-minute long setup, retest of CISD. That's the setup I've been talking to you about for the last couple of weeks. And second entry is the golden pocket.
Hey, Jay Griff has a good idea. Chat. Tradeify needs to do gaming tournaments for eval giveaways. Pretty fire. Where are we at with the like count, actually?
I have no idea. I haven't even checked.
349. Still not good enough.
350.
Oh,
we need
350 now.
120 more.
Let's go.
120 more. Come on, chat. SSK TV. Hell yeah, that's the best one. Wololo.
I really don't get these references. With no context, it's kind of funny.
That's funny. All right, nice rejection so far from that level. I would like it, actually, I would like it to go down to 25,666 first and tap me in for the second order. I
still see this so bearish, but it's interesting that you can see it for longs. I really still want to get a short entry. Yes, 6K82. We got to hype them up so you can get that birthday account. We know we want to get it to you. Well, I mean, at least have the chance.
The reason why you're looking for shorts is simple. You just want to fade me. You have to. Like, it's in your nature, you know?
It's just in me. Well, I am your creation. It's something you've done to me.
True.
I just need to be in shorts right now. Every bone in my body is like, short.
Actually, you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my stop to below the swing low here. I just realized there's a swing low. Would be stupid to have it up there. So it's going to be 45.
45. Anyone in trades right now, by the way, chat? Is anyone in shorts or longs or...
I'm in longs.
What's the other one? Shorts or longs?
Shorts, longs, or sidewayses?
Sideways, yeah, that's the one. Short. Oh, we got a few faders in the chat.
Well, if all the people are short, then I'm the fader, no?
Oh, that is true. A few long ES, long in NQ and gold. Quinton out for the day. Yes, Quinton, you are up. Good decision. Short on ES. Oh, here we go. A lot of people in trades right now. 1,300 on gold long. Very nice, Quinton. Very nice. I would also be taking a break if I was you. Crystal Trade says, I'm short from 698 and looking for 636. 698. Oh, damn. Nice short. That was something I was eyeing off as well. That's when we got into our gaming conversation and I wasn't fully focused. But that was a level I was eyeing up to short. But very nice. Good clean short from there.
Heinz X Steak, you know it, man. He says long with Nick. Love it. You also have the best username. That's for sure.
That is subjective.
It is not subjective. It's actually a fact.
Patrick says gold is Gonski. What's it doing?
Where did gold go? Oh, shit.
Oh.
Yeah, well, you had a sick entry. If you would still be in, this would be sick. However, you may, I mean, you banked, so you're good. Dandy Shandy Girl says, I took the short and hit TP at Nick's entry. Nice.
Nice.
We exchanged contracts.
That's true. Pro Trader says I'm NQ short, but wish Nick wins. That's nice.
That was really nice. Thank you.
I'm with you, Pro Trader.
What's your target, Pro Trader? What are you going for?
Griff. The soybean trade broke even. Long story short, it broke even. I was in drawdown for a little while, pretty much the entire London session up until like New York 10:30 in the morning. And then I broke even. And that was it. So not an L, but not a win. Can't say I hate soybean, must say.
Let's see on my chart here since I'm in a trade, please. We are currently 7 points in profit, 8 points now. Let's see if this is already the push.
Nice. Let's see.
The trader guy says, Nick, pray for me. I am fading you, unfortunately. Got a short. Hey, if it's your system, trade your system. That's what you need to do.
Chad, I'm interested to know, what is everyone trading these days? Like, I personally only trade NQ, and from time to time when I want to degen it, we'll trade something random, but very rarely. Mostly only trading NQ, but what do our viewers trade? I'm interested. I know some of you are trading gold.
People are asking for my TP. My TP is 25,700. 25,700. I am about to move to break even though, since this rejected here the way it did.
Oh, here we go. Let's see what our chat are trading. NQ in gold, ES in gold. Okay. Mainly NQ. Gold in Asia is the way. NQ gold and silver. Okay, so we all pretty much trade the same. I trade only crude oil. Interesting. I have never touched crude oil.
I hate oil.
And we know Nick hates oil. Indices in gold. Yeah, pretty much we're all trading the same.
I did move my stop to break even, chat.
Nice.
But I still have my buy order at 666. So I would get out if it taps 75 again, but then it would get back in at 666. That's a cleaner entry.
PT, soybeans only. Oh, now we're going to get all lean hogs, parmesan.
Oh, Parmesan. Hell yeah.
Well,
hell yeah. Long on Parmesan. Bullish, guys. Very bullish.
Bearish all the way down to the depths of hell with parmesan.
Yeah, you're the only one, Celine. I'm sorry.
I can't be, though. It doesn't make sense. Like, generally speaking, no one really likes the smell of dirty socks, right? On a normal day. And then all of a sudden, everyone likes parmesan.
What does that have to do with each other? And
dirty socks.
People who like the smell of dirty socks.
I hope they're not in this chat.
Kryptoneer, you're the man. Says ketchup futures, the only one.
No.
Bullish on craft foods, guys. Bullish on craft foods. Patrick, Appenzeller is not the best. He's 470, and we are currently sitting at, let me refresh. We are sitting at 394.
So only 4 since we last checked? Come on, chat. Oh no, we were at 350. Sorry, I lied.
Why do you lie?
FX and Entropy, you just got banned from all people from France and Switzerland. I know. Also, why I haven't done much travel. Yeah.
Sorry, real quick. I just exited this trade, this long. Okay. I do still have the buy order at 666. 25,666 is another buy order.
Was that break even?
Yeah, it was break even. I made $4.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Can you even buy a water in Switzerland with that?
I mean, depends where you buy it.
Actually, what is a bottle of water worth? Because that's what I like to compare, like different countries.
Depends on the brand. I mean, I can get one for like
your cheapest.
The cheapest, probably like 20 cents.
Oh, okay. So it exists. That's probably not the best for you.
Nope. Yeah, Patrick Cervela. Oh yeah, you know. You gotta stuff Cervela with Parmesan though. That's
what's
all. And
what's
then put ketchup on it. I'm not lying, actually. Great.
Wait, is that word that you're saying the one that he spelled sacrilege? Is that the word? Sacrilege?
What?
What's that word that you're saying that Patrick said?
No, I'm talking about Cervela. That's lower.
That is lower. Oh, like NQ, dropping lower.
Dropping lower. 0.5680 would be first TP after.
This chat is so entertaining. You know what I would like to see right now on NQ is this 15-minute close and hold the bearish 15-minute gap above so that we have that area to tap into. And then I would love to take a short out of that into previous 4-hour low. Just saying.
Previous 4-hour low.
We might not get that. I just feel like it's gonna dump. Getting that feeling.
Dump it.
Chat, we don't have long for this giveaway. We don't have long. 4:04 now. Come on. Get those likes up.
All right, we're getting close to that entry, chat. 666. 25,666. Golden pocket long entry.
It's also the devil's number.
It is true.
It's not the best.
Well, Patrick, I didn't diss it. I just don't like it as much.
Oh, makes sense. What are we doing, NQ? I feel like it wants to go lower, but it's not really
Well, let's see. Still interested in longs at 666.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, shit. I didn't realize it's already 9:20 London time.
Yeah, we don't have long for this giveaway,
so
chat.
yeah, we have 43 likes left that we need, chat, and we have 5 minutes for that. So make sure you smack the like button.
Let's
right
get
now.
there. And today's a special one. Like we said, if you guys were missing, if our special birthday in the chat, 6K82, is our winner.
Mm-hmm.
Wait,
Oh, I got filled on that order, chat. I got filled.
All right.
So I'm long NQ from 25,666.
Let's go.
Second trade of the day. First one I took a break even on. This one I entered with 2 minis right away.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, that was a bottom tick entry. Love that.
Nice.
If this runs, that would be sick.
Let's hope it does.
Let's hope it does. But ooh, this was literally a bottom tick. Look at this, chat. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Can you see that, Celine?
Now I can. Yeah.
Look at this.
Fire.
That's crazy. If it runs, this is crazy. If it comes back down, then it's kind of lame.
Are you a market maker? What's going on?
Nah, Market Maker Mario is on vacation, so he lent me some of his powers. I am going to trail with every 1 minute as soon as we have a push. Right now, I would want to see a push through 73, and then I'm going to trail. First target is 680. Didn't get that push through 73, so I'm still keeping everything as it is. Market Maker Mario says, I got out on that tick when you entered, Nick. See? Market Maker Mario's powers.
Chat, quickly, we have to get these likes up. 440. Come on. Come on. We're almost there.
Mm-hmm. Let me refresh again. We are at 441. Okay, 19 more likes, and we have 3 minutes left, chat. You have to hit the like button like right now.
Do it.
Like right now, right now.
Like, if you don't, then there's no giveaway.
Yep.
So do it.
Do it.
448. I'm just going to refresh every second now. 456. Nope. 460. We need 10 more. We said 470, right?
470, yeah.
460. Chat, 464. Let's go. Nope. 6 more.
Come on.
Wait. My YouTube is crashing out. 470. Woo!
Hey.
Let's go.
All right, chat. Again, I'm going to explain the rules. First of all, if you want to participate in this giveaway, you have to like the stream, you have to subscribe to the channel, and you have to fill out the Google form once I send the link to it. If you ask where the form is, you get disqualified. If you fill it out more than once, you get disqualified. Now, here's the thing. Here's the deal today. 6K82 has his birthday. If he wins, we give away 2 accounts, right? To like one to another person. He can only win once, though. So the less of you that fill out the form, the higher the chance for 6K82 to win this giveaway. And we're still going to do another one, right? So your choice what you want to do. Now, the link to the Google form is going to be sent here in the chat. I'm going to send it about 10 times. Again, if you ask for it, where it is, get disqualified. Here you go. Good luck, everybody else.
Good luck.
Still in this long, obviously.
Oh, there's a push. Bit of a push.
It's just hanging around that area right now. Not really going anywhere.
Oh, shit.
You jinxed it.
I'll just keep quiet.
This is for a 50K select account, chat. I'm wondering how many people are going to fill it out.
Yeah, I'm interested to see.
It's less than usual, but it's still a lot. Well, as said, if 6K82 wins, he's going to get an account, and we're going to give away a second one to somebody else.
Let's see. I've got faith in the Tradeify Nation. I reckon they're going to let him win.
Let's see. Marco Mario says, if I win, 6K82 can have it. Oh, nice. That is awesome.
That's so nice. We got such nice guys. I think Tradeify Nation is like the best. You guys are the best.
Hell yeah. All right, I'm going to copy everybody over. We have about 300 people in there. Let's hope 6K82 can win this.
All right.
For his birthday.
Moment of truth.
Spinning the wheel of names in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. The winner gets a 50K select account.
Let's go.
That winner is Nessa Dan.
Congratulations, Nessa.
Nessa Dan. Please
Damn.
type something in the chat. Nessa Dan. I need to see you there.
Next time, 6K82.
So
I mean, you're always here, so
Nessa, let's do this.
Oh.
I'm gonna give you the opportunity to double or nothing. If you double and you win, you get a 100K select account, and 6K82 gets a 50K select account. You want to double or nothing? Like double or keep it.
Damn.
If you get nothing, obviously, then you get nothing after.
That's a big decision. What do
I mean,
we
it's
do?
for 6K82's birthday.
I would double. But I'm a bit of a degen.
Nessa says, can he have the 100K? I'll take the 50K. Let's do it. Ooh, okay, that's nice.
Oh.
So you want to go for double or nothing? And if you hit double, you get a 50K and he gets a 100K. You decide. You want to double or you want to stick with the 50K and keep it?
Nessa says, yep.
Yep. All right. Love it. So
Nice.
double or nothing. Double, I'm going to put it here so it's clear. Double means Nessa gets 150K select and 6K82 gets 100K select.
I'm like so nervous right now, chat.
Nothing means nobody gets anything. Is this clear, Nessa? Is this clear? Are these rules clear?
This is exciting. I'm like nervous. Yeah, 6K82, I'm nervous too.
Okay, he says, yeah. All right. Oh, I'm nervous too. Let's spin it. Oh, God. Let's
So
spin
much
it.
in one spin.
Oh, no. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, oh.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh,
No.
no.
No. That was so fucking close. Are you kidding me?
What the hell?
That was so fucking close.
I swear it was almost there. It's like on the edge.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You know what? Look, we're gonna do something.
What do we
now.
do?
I really want 6K82 to win this. So we're gonna do this.
What do we do?
Last chance.
Oh my gosh.
Last chance. By the way, what's the trade doing? Oh, we're in profit. Nice. Okay, so it's the last chance. Last chance. 6. You have a 1 out of 6 because of your name chance
Makes sense.
to win this. Okay. This is the last chance.
Let's do it.
Please.
Come on.
Please. Come on. Oh, no.
No.
I
6K82.
tried, man. I tried.
We're trying out here.
Ah.
Come on, Santa. Do your job.
I feel so bad now.
I know luck.
Oh, man. I feel bad.
I know, Sam.
What are we going to do, Celine?
I don't know, Nick. Because I mean, it's hard. Then when everyone has birthdays, they're gonna be
Yeah,
wanting their
that's true. I
free
mean, we
credit
tried.
account. We did try a 6K82.
We did try. Now I feel bad.
What have we done?
I don't know. What should we do?
I'm just like, are we gonna get fired if we give him the account?
Oh, I feel so bad. One more, says Hussein. Are we going to do one more, chat? Gonna do
Like one more spin?
50-50 chance if 6K gets it or not.
Chat, I don't know what to do.
50-50 chance. If it lands on 6K, he gets a 50K. If not, then it's done.
Yeah. All right. And then we can say we really tried.
Okay, fair. We're gonna add Nessa too. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do 6K and Nessa. That's fair. And 2 nothings.
Yeah.
25% chance to win this or one of them.
Okay. Yep. And chat, then we can definitely say we gave everybody a fair chance. Because we're really trying here.
Let's do it.
Okay. Let's do it.
Come on, we really want him to win. This is the last chance now, okay? So either 6K or Nessa or nothing. Spin it. Let's go.
Let's do it.
Please. No.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
No.
Are you kidding me?
What's going on?
Oh, okay, chat. I'm sorry. I tried. I tried it multiple times and it just didn't work. I'm really sorry. I'm
really sorry too because
this sucks.
We really tried.
This sucks. No, man.
Spin the wheel is grinching today.
Yeah, I'm actually, by the way, I'm trailing my stop up here. I have my stop at 670 now. Celine, I don't know if you have some more time to stay on. I'm going to stay on for this trade just to let it play out.
Yeah, why not? We'll play out. And I'm sort of sad now.
CP1 is 680. But maybe I get trailed out here for like 4.
Let's go. I think you might get up. What's your trail up to now? What level?
70.25. So I might get trailed out.
Okay.
Let's see.
Good.
I have that feeling that it's going to take me out right now. Already.
Yeah, look, we don't have luck on our side today, it looks like.
I mean, it would be 4 points with 2 minis. I'll take it.
It'd be still nice. Still something.
It's risk-free at this point, so.
That is true. Well, I would still be potentially eyeing up short. So if you get up into the previous 15-minute high at 25,682, I'm happy with that because I'd be looking to short from there. So let's see.
Patrick, yeah, Brett trails it this way as well. He targets the 0.5 to take off the first partial. 0.5 is 680, which is where I have my order. But then he trails with the 1 minute as soon as it moves cleanly in one direction. I'm just doing what Brett does, basically.
Chat, tomorrow we have to decide what, because tomorrow's FOMC, right? So we're going to have some, I'm already expecting to have some shitty charts. So we really need to decide what we want to trade tomorrow. Let me know.
Soybeans.
I mean, we can do soybeans, but we did already try that. I'm down to try something else.
Soybeans. Oh, let's go. We didn't get stopped out yet. We didn't get stopped out. Give us a push. Give us a push.
Wait, Nick.
Oh.
I got the gun ready.
I forgot it. Thanks. Gun only comes out if we hit 680 though.
Guns
without
at the
getting
ready.
trailed out. It's going to trail us out. No. It's going to be a money gun headshot. Yeah, I got taken out. All right. Yeah. We're ending this session with $150 per account. So I'm up. What's that?
Can't complain.
152 times 5. I'm up $760. All right. I'll take it.
Hey.
I'll take it. So, chat, thank you so much. It was a fun session. Celine, any last words?
Yeah, it was a fun session and it's going to be even more fun tomorrow. So make sure you guys are there. We will trade something. Not sure what it's going to be, but we'll have a stab at something other than NQ.
Did you just make more fun tomorrow when I'm not here?
Well, you know what? I did. Okay. What are you going to do?
Oh, man.
So I'm, appreciate you all being here. Love you guys as always. And you'll be with Celine, the AI, tomorrow. So I will see you there.
Selfie in the AI. All right, chat. Put a W in the chat if you love this stream. Put an L in the chat if you hated it. Of course, today at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, tune in for another New York session stream. and then tomorrow at 8 a.m. for Selfine AI solo stream. Love you all and see you later. Peace out.